The political imprisonment of women is a rampant injustice that violates fundamental human rights and undermines the health and well-being of the community around the world. For the female descendants in China to human rights activists in Egypt, women are being unjustified present for exercising their rights to freedom of expression, assembly, and political participation. The reasons for political imprisonment of women are complex and varying depending upon the country and the context. However, some common factors include gender discrimination. Women face systematic barriers in societies which can limit their access to political participation and make them more vulnerable to arrest and prosecution. Targeted suppression. Governments often target women activities who challenge the norms or criticize the ruling regime. National security laws. This is a very overly broaded national security laws can be used to justify the arrest of and detention of a woman for legitimate political activities. Lack of accountability. In many countries, there are lack of accountability for human rights violations against women, allowing authorities to detain women with injustice. Political imprisonment can be devastating consequences for their women, their families, and their communities, involving physical and psychological torture, denial of basic rights, separation from loved ones. Imprisoned women often face solitary confinements, inadequate medical cares, and sexual abuse. The imprisonment of women also undermines their ability to participate in political life and contribute to communities. It sends a chilling effect on other women who may have been considering politically participate, but silencing and disempowering them can hurt this. The political imprisonment of a woman has broader implications for society as a whole. It endured democratic values, undermines the rule of law, and stifles the freedom of expression. By silencing women's voices, society can lose out their perspectives and experiences, which are essential for informed decision making and social progress. International law prohibits the arbitrary detention of individuals, including women, where the Universal Declaration of Human Rights guarantees the right of fair trial, due process, and freedom from torture. The International Convention on Civil and Political Rights specify prohibits detention of individuals from their political beliefs. Addressing the political imprisonment of women requires multifaceted approach that includes legal reforms. State must revise national security laws to ensure they do not justly target women activists or limit their political participation. Independent judiciary, a fair and impartial judiciary is essential for protecting women from arbitrary detention and ensuring their rights are upheld. Accountability. Government must be held accountable for human rights violation against women, including arbitrary arrest and detention. International pressure. International organizations and governments can play a vital role in pressuring the state to release political prisoners, including women. The political imprisonment of a woman is a grave injustice that has been devastating consequences for individuals, community, and the society as a whole. It violates international law, undermines democratic values, it stuffs the freedom of expression. Addressing the crisis requires a comprehensive approach that includes legal reforms, independent judiciary accountability, and international pressure. By working together, we can create a world where a woman are free and feel free to exercise their political rights without the fear, and where their voices and perspectives are heard and valued in the decision making process.